Okay, so now we are going to name the animals and we are going to guess where those animals live, okay? Jaz vam bom pokazala živalico, jo bom približala, vi jo boste poimenovali, potem pa bomo skupaj ugotovili, kje ta žival živi. Okay? Let's try. This is yes, fox. Where does a fox live? Yes, in the forest. Good. Who is this? Yes, a sheep. Where does a sheep live? Yes, it lives on the farm. Okay. Who is this? Yes, this is a pig. And where does a pig live? On the, yes, farm. Good. And what about this one? Who is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. And where does a rabbit live? Yes, it can live on a farm. It can also live in the house. Good. And who is this? A fish. Good. And where does a fish live? Yes, it can live in the house. Lahko živi v hiši v akvariju. Good. And who is this? This is a hedgehog. Good. Where does a hedgehog live? Yes, it lives in the forest. Good. And who is this? Yes, this is a cow. Where does a cow live? Yes, it lives on the farm. Good. Who is this? Yes, this is a squirrel. Where does a squirrel live? Yes, it lives in the forest. Good. And who is this? Yes, this is a bird. And where does a bird live? Yes, it can live in the forest or it can also live in the house. Lahko imamo kot domačo žival ptička. Good. And who is this? This is a hamster. Good. This is a hamster. Where does a hamster live? Yes, it lives in the house. Good. Who is this? This is a horse. Good. Where does a horse live? It lives on the farm. Good. And who is this? This is a bear. And where does a bear live? Yes, it lives in the forest. Goodbye.